Our program is both broad and deep. The common core allows for the foundation to be set in finance, which is important so that all students have the knowledge that they can use then in later elective classes. But since finance includes such a wide array of specializations, students can decide if they would like to focus on the traditional corporate finance part or maybe on something like asset and wealth management.
We have the professors who have an insight to how banks, how institutions, how corporate governance works. And these guys actually help to prepare you to not only learn the academic side, the mathematical models, but how do you apply that in the real world? How do you internalize that and how do you leverage that so that you have a competitive advantage going into whatever industry you choose?
The members of our financial leadership network come and talk to our students in our what we call Saturday classes, where we discuss with CFOs and with finance executives current topics and how students can best prepare for a future leadership position in the finance industry.
The assumption is lectures are actually boring. They're actually not boring. One of my cohort members had made the comment that when Professor Cicatello had finished his first course, we all looked up and realized that class was already over. Do I think that the Robinson faculty and staff care about me? Yes. With the amount of phone calls I've gotten, emails that I have gotten, meetings that have been arranged, just being able to reach out for them when I'm struggling with a solution to a problem or how should I plan things going forward, that's what they're there for.